Hello everyone, today we have with us the Boya BY-MM1 Universal Cardioid microphone and we are going to check out what's inside of the box for us. But right before we do that, let's have a look at the box. So right here you can see it is compatible with smartphone, tablets, laptops, cameras, camcorders and whatnot. As we flip the box towards the back side, we can see some of the specifications are mentioned, like it is a cardioid microphone with a frequency response of 35 Hz to 18,000 kHz and also that it is of just 86 grams. So without any further ado, let's just get straight to the unboxing. So first and foremost, we have the mic right over here. And as you can see, it is covered in
Hi everyone, my name is Abhay and today I have with me this JBL Lavalier microphone and I'll be telling you what makes this a great buy, so let us begin. The JBL CSL20 microphone is an omnidirectional lavalier with a clip-on which is easy to clip at multiple angles. This particular product provides immense flexibility to content creators and presenters. It is a hands-free device that helps you create without any stress. With features such as outstanding speech clarity and a 360-degree omnidirectional audio pickup.
What's going on, fellow cats? Welcome back to a brand new Roblox video. My name is Creek, and in this video, guys, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can record for free without any lag with OBS Studio and upload it to YouTube. Obviously, we're here in Roblox, and this works with any game at all. You can do this with any game. But I'm going to be using Roblox Jailbreak here as an example and showing you guys how you can record on your PC for free without any lag. Now, before we hop into this, I do have a few things we need to go over real quick. Number one, you're going to need a computer for this. I mean, obviously you're going to need a computer because, you know, how else are you going to record, right? Number two, you're going to need a microphone. Now, if you don't have a microphone and you would like to win one for free, I am actually going to be giving out like 2 entire audio setups that you see right here. I'm going to be sending these out to 2 of you guys for free. Stay tuned for more information on that. And then number 3, you're going to need a face cam. And I guess you don't really need a face cam, but I feel like, you know, having one makes the video feel a little bit more personal and just a little bit nicer overall. So before I get into the OBS Studio,
I can't seem to focus and you don't seem to notice I'm not here. I'm just a mirror. You check your complexion to find your reflections all alone. I had to go. Can't you hear me? I'm not.
Hey guys and welcome, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the FIFINE Technologies K669B USB microphone. So as you can see, this is the box that it comes in. The first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be cutting the back open. Okay, once the back is cut, it just slides out just like that. And the first thing you get in the box is a user's guide. So as you can see, it's the FIFINE K69B. That's what the microphone looks like. I do recommend that you should read this manual, as it tells you everything, all the information that you don't need. Apart from that, there's a little protective casing, and this is the microphone right here. Okay, this is the microphone. That's how it comes like, and it comes with a little stand.
quality.